Here's abandoned O'Charlie's. Revisit. I did this once when it first closed. And it still has power because I hear the smoke detectors going off in it. There's power to it. It is bad, overgrown. See, people are using the property. Yep. Let's see what we can see on this side. And that's being used for the homeless, I'm sure of that. Yep, you can tell. That's it. That is it. Don't think they're gonna do anything with this one anytime soon. Let's see. Okay, take a look around the side here. See what we can see around the back here. Oh yeah, that's definitely overgrown. Like I said, I don't know if you can hear it in the video, but I can hear it. The fire smoke detectors going off inside. And the trash cans are gone, but well, there's a bunch of trash in it. Who knows what they're going to do with this one. Yeah, that's your abandoned O'Charlie's.